What up, bros? New car things today. I got the car in the garage. I met some dude on off-road, and I got myself non-blown TruHart suspension. So we're gonna do an install today. My girl's gonna help me actually. So this is the fitment right now. Rear, it's got a little tire tuck. Fronts, got a barely just a no wheel gap. So we're gonna see how these coils fare up to my Megans. First things first, got to I might get a last thing. Gotta jack up the car. I forgot my shit over here, so I'm gonna have to get that out. I'm gonna do the front first though. I lied. You don't jack up the car first. While it's down, take out the lug nuts because the thing will spin unless you have someone inside pushing the brakes. But I'm by myself right now. The girl's inside, so I'm gonna take those out first. With the lug nuts loose, now I can jack it up. One hand jack with my weak hand. Fuck. Wheels are off. This is my coils. Pretty simple. I'm gonna have to take this bolt off right here. But I did some research and they're saying that it's better to take end link off first on the sway bar and then take it off this side. And then take off these three little bolts, 1, 2, and 3. Nice and easy. Easy peasy. And that's it. And then, so when I bought the not fucking control arms, the coils, it didn't come with this. So I'm gonna take off the coils, take this off the coils, and then just put it onto those TruHart coils. But my batteries are about to die, so I'm probably gonna do the whole front, and then I'll show you guys in the rear. I'm back. Camera's charged. I already got both the fronts in. Shout out to my girl, dude. These things have little lights on them, and they fucking work amazing. I could do this shit all day by myself with just these things. I know a headlamp works, but this is pretty sick. This is like, what? I think like $3 or $4 on Amazon. But I got the fronts in right here. Got it all done, did. Boppity boop. I had to take the control arms off so that I can get this low enough to pull the Megans off. But I pulled out, when I pulled these out and I matched them up to those, dude, there was like this much of play from the top of the TruHarts. So for sure my coils are gonna be, or I'm gonna be fucking slammed. I don't know how I'm gonna get out of my driveway, but right now I'm gonna take out the fender liners because holy shit, look at this. This thing got chewed up. But yeah, that's why. Since I'm gonna be a lot lower now, I'm gonna rip all these out because I got that side off. Show you real quick. It's all gone. It's a lot. Whoa, that's shitty. Yeah. So everything looks cool. Nothing crazy. These are like fucking ugly though. But yeah, you can tell how much I was already lowered in the first place. So can't wait to see how these are. I'm gonna put the fender liners on, drop the fronts, and then we'll see how it goes. Thought I was done with the fronts. Went to go check before I put on the wheels and dropped everything, and fucking forgot the washer right there. So I'm gonna take it off real quick and put this on just for safekeeping. Alright, got one jack stand down. Let's see how this goes. Nice and slow. It's not even touching the floor yet. Holy shit, it's teeter-tottering. Let's go to the other side. Let's get this out. Oh, broken. Forgot. Ready? I don't know if that changed anything. I don't know if it changed anything. See the difference?
Yes.
Oh wow, thanks. Alright, so I basically got this side out. Got the stupid fucking spring cup out. So I had to hammer this bolt out, like going this way. So it was like stuck as fuck. And then you have to push this all the way, like as hard as you can down. Then that spring will pop out. It's basically this assembly. This is how, it's like, I forgot what they call it, but that's a true suspension. That's what they call it, but because it's not separate like this and a stupid cup shit. But and now I'm gonna just push on this, get that out right there, and then done. So I had a little bit of trouble getting that motherfucker out because when I guess when I dropped this, the coil opened up, and I was trying to figure out what the fuck I should do to get it out. So I just jacked it up so that the coil would compress, and it compressed enough to come out. So and they're opening up right now very slowly. But this is the one that was fucking knocking, and it was hitting the bump stop like it fucking ripped through. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's the bad one. So that's that. Now I gotta figure out which one of these is, which one of them is which side, so I'm able to put it in. So I'm gonna figure that out right now, and I'll be back when they're in. All right. Stupid spring out. True spring in. No touching there. Bolts are in. All bar. Let's put the wheel on and see how it goes. See. Nice and slow. I didn't take the fender line out of this one, so let's see what happens. G37, ma. No blown rear though. Alright, everything's done. All the suspension's in. It's pretty fucking tight. But it's been a while, and I took off my mufflers again, and I have everything but cats, or everything and cats. Wait, fuck. Only cats. That's what I meant. But here's a little startup. Oh wait, I don't have my key. It's been like a couple hours since I turned it on for like 5 minutes, so here it goes. That's it for today. I have like 4 videos to edit, and it's been freaking long, but I've been working like crazy so I could freaking build my car. But thank you guys for subscribing and staying subscribed, and thank you for the people that watched this today. Pretty easy install. Honestly, I'm gonna go take it for a ride. I've heard different reviews on it's bumpy or it's solid, so I don't know, we'll see. So I'm just glad that I don't have blown suspension anymore. So thank you guys for watching.